Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare simple veggie sauce that you can eat alone or you can eat along with other dish of your choice. So let's dive into the video. Simple ingredients you need. You can use any oil of your choice, but I'm using extra virgin oil. I will use half of these onions, 4 tomatoes, white pepper, and salt. That is just it. Now here is the chairman of the question. I have 1 bag of spinach. It has been properly washed and dried. So let's dive into the video now. To the dry pan, I'll go ahead and add the spinach. I just want to drain out the water or the moisture in the spinach. Just put the spinach in there and cover it for at least 5 minutes until the spinach is reduced. While it is there on the pot, I'll go ahead and cut the tomato. You can remove the seed if you want, but I'm not a fan of removing seed. I like my tomatoes with seed. Unless the recipe required it, then I will remove it. After cutting them, I will do the same thing with the onions. I'll cut them and set them aside and get ready. As I said before, it's very simple and easy to prep. At this point, the spinach have reduced to nothing. When I mean to nothing, it was a full bag of spinach, but look at it. This is just all we have after removing the water. So thinking that the full bag was enough, it wasn't. So go ahead and add oil and then saute your onion and tomato. I'm just going to do this for like 2 minutes because I don't want them to be so soft. I want them to be crunched and fresh. So sauteing the onions for like 2 minutes, I'll go ahead and pour in the tomato and cover it together. I'll allow them to cook for more 2 minutes, and then this sauce is almost ready to be enjoyed. Alright, after 2 minutes, look at it, everything is bubbling. Remember, we have a pepper and salt. This is the best time to add them. You add white pepper and salt, and that is just it for this. I didn't add seasoning here or thyme or curry because that spinach is already very tasteful. If you taste spinach even without nothing, you will enjoy it. So I'll just go ahead and add the spinach and stir them to combine very well, and that is it. You don't have to cook it much again because the spinach has already been cooked. So stir it and off the light. That is the end of the recipe. You have fresh vegetable sauce. You can eat it just like this. Eat it as a side dish or with rice, yam, or egg. I will upload a video next. I used it for egg. Just stir the egg around it and you have a very beautiful breakfast. So look at that. I added the last tomato because I didn't want all of them to be so soft, and the vegetable sauce is ready. Tell me, do you like it? Give it a try, you will like it. Honestly, this is very simple. You can also have this as a weight loss meal, keto meal. Yeah. Look at how they're bubbling. Yeah, I don't allow you to cook so much because I don't like it when it's cooked much and then the freshness will reduce. That is it. This one, I just ate it alone like this, and the rest, I use it for egg. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate. See you in the next video. Bye.